National Weather Service in Binghamton has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Sullivan County in central New York, Lackawanna County in northeast Pennsylvania, Luzerne County in northeast Pennsylvania, Pike County in northeast Pennsylvania, southern Wayne County in northeast Pennsylvania, southern Wyoming County in northeast Pennsylvania until 5:45 p.m. At 4:23 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. These storms were located along a line extending from 12 miles northeast of Woodbourne to Narrowsburg to 17 miles northwest of Huntington Mills and moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Severe thunderstorms will be near Woodridge and Montauk Valley at 4:35 p.m., Thompsonville and Monticello at 4:40 p.m., Rock Hill and Highland Lake at 4:45 p.m., Phillipsport and Shohola at 4:50 p.m., Artwood and Glen Spey at 4:55 p.m., Wurtsboro and Highview at 5 p.m., Slocum and Penobscot at 5:05 p.m., Nesco-Peck and East Berwick at 5:10 p.m. When you can do so safely, please report hail or damaging winds to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free at 1-877-633-6772 or by email at bgm.stormreport@noaa.gov. If you are in the path of this storm, seek shelter indoors and stay away from windows. A severe thunderstorm warning means that severe weather is occurring or is imminent. Wind gusts in excess of 60 miles per hour, 1 inch in diameter or larger, very heavy rain, and deadly lightning are all likely. If you are in the path of this severe storm, move to safe shelter now. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania, Pike and Wayne, and Sullivan County, New York.